Welcome to Review Lab. The best wet bar accessories are probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial elements in elevating your home entertaining experience, transforming a simple gathering space into a sophisticated hub for crafting cocktails and creating lasting memories with friends and family. These essential tools not only streamline the drink-making process but also add a touch of elegance and functionality, ensuring every host can effortlessly play the part of a seasoned mixologist, impressing guests with both their beverage creations and the stylish presentation of their bar setup. Number 5. FineDine 14-piece stainless steel cocktail shaker set. Discover the ultimate bartending experience with our comprehensive 14-piece cocktail shaker set. It includes everything you need to craft delicious drinks like a pro. Crafted from high-quality, rust-free stainless steel with a brushed finish, this set is built to last. Enjoy a leak-proof and scratch-proof experience for years to come. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this set has you covered. It provides all the essential tools to create any drink imaginable. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. These bar tools are completely dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Looking for the perfect gift? Surprise the aspiring bartender or cocktail lover in your life with this exceptional bar set. It's a present they'll truly appreciate. This all-inclusive set comes with a stylish velvet bag, making it easy to carry and store your bar essentials. Mix and mingle wherever you go. What we like. This is the ultimate starter kit for any aspiring mixologist. It comes with everything you need to make a wide variety of drinks, all in a convenient travel bag. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that's perfect for both home use and taking on the go, this is the one for you. What people say. The bar accessories are made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and rust-resistant. The set includes a cocktail shaker, jigger, strainer, and bar spoon, providing all the essential tools for making drinks. The design of the accessories is sleek and modern, adding a touch of elegance to any home bar. Number 4. WENEGG Insulated Stainless Steel Ice Bucket. Tired of your ice melting too quickly? This insulated bucket features a double-wall design and a secure lid to keep your ice frozen for extended periods. Plus, the built-in strainer separates melted water, ensuring your ice stays colder for longer. Maintaining this ice bucket is a breeze. Simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth or sponge. It's naturally BPA-free and built to last, resisting dents, scratches, and rust. Whether you're hosting a barbecue, a party, or running a bar, this ice bucket is the ideal companion. Its modern design complements any setting, indoors or out. When you purchase this ice bucket, you receive everything you need. It includes the 3-liter bucket, a scoop, tongs, a lid, a strainer plate, and a user guide. We stand by the quality of our products. All WENEGG ice buckets come with a lifetime guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like. Keep your ice perfectly chilled and ready for your cocktails with this insulated ice bucket. Its double-walled design and included strainer ensure your ice stays solid for longer, preventing watered-down drinks. If you frequently host parties or enjoy making cocktails at home and want to ensure your ice is always at its best, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The bar accessories are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance. The set includes a variety of essential tools, such as a shaker, jigger, strainer, and bar spoon, making it a comprehensive solution for home bartending. The sleek and modern design of the accessories complements any home bar setup, adding a touch of elegance. Number 3. Home Hero 22-piece Bartender Kit. Elevate your gatherings with this elegant bartender kit. It includes all the accessories you need to craft delightful cocktails, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. This beautifully crafted wooden stand not only organizes your bar tools but also enhances your home bar decor. Its sleek design complements any bar cart accessories. Combining sleek black and silver, this cocktail kit makes a stylish statement. Crafted with premium stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting use for all your mixing needs. Mix classic and modern drinks with ease using the helpful recipe book. It features 10 delicious cocktail recipes to enhance your drink-making skills, whether you're a beginner or experienced. Packaged in a gift-ready box, this bartender kit is an ideal present for cocktail lovers and festive occasions. It turns any gathering into a memorable event. What we like. Elevate your home bar with this all-inclusive bartender kit. It not only provides all the tools you need to craft delicious cocktails but also features a stylish wooden stand for display and organization. If you're looking for a complete set that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, and want to impress your guests with a well-organized and sophisticated bar setup, this is the perfect gift or personal upgrade. What people say. The bar accessories are made of high-quality stainless steel, which is rust-resistant and durable. The set includes a cocktail shaker, jigger, strainer, and bar spoon, providing all the essential tools for making cocktails. The design of the accessories is sleek and modern, adding a touch of elegance to any home bar. Number 2. Ithywat Wall-Mounted Clothes Drying Rack. Discover a drying rack that blends seamlessly with your wall when not in use, offering a decorative touch. When you need it, simply open the rod to effortlessly dry your clothes. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy and stainless steel, this rack is built to last. It can hold over 60 pounds, providing a sturdy solution for your laundry needs in any room. Choose between 2 easy installation methods: sealant fix for a strong, wall-friendly bond, or nailing for whitewashed walls. We provide all the necessary hardware for a secure fit. Perfect for smaller spaces, this rack folds flat against the wall, taking up no extra room. It's ideal for balconies, garages, RVs, or even small work areas. Measuring just 14.5 x 10.1 x 1.8 when open and folding down to a mere 0.39 thick, it offers a comfortable and convenient laundry solution. We stand by our product with a 30-day refund policy and a 180-day warranty. If you encounter any issues, our customer service is here to help. What we like. This is a fantastic solution for small spaces or anyone who needs extra drying capacity without permanent fixtures. Its retractable and folding design means it can be tucked away when not in use, keeping your laundry area tidy. If you have limited space in your laundry room, bathroom, or balcony and need a sturdy, easy-to-install drying rack, this wall-mounted option is ideal. What people say. The bar accessories are made of high-quality stainless steel, which is rust-proof and durable. The set includes a cocktail shaker, jigger, strainer, and bar spoon, providing all the essential tools for making drinks. The design is sleek and modern, adding a touch of elegance to any home bar setup. Number 1. BARsics PVC Bar Service Mat, Black. Introducing the BARsics PVC Bar Service Mat, designed for professional bartenders. Its durable construction ensures it lays flat on any counter. Measuring 18 by 12 inches and 5/16 of an inch thick, this mat provides ample space for your bartending needs. It's the perfect size for most bar setups. Crafted from non-toxic, soft PVC material, this mat is safe and comfortable to work with. You can be assured of its quality and safety. Say goodbye to messy spills. This mat effectively catches any water or liquid, keeping your countertops clean and dry at all times. It's an indispensable tool for any bartender, offering a stable surface for your glassware and shaker. Make your serving process smoother and more efficient. What we like. Keep your bar area clean and organized with this practical service mat. Its non-toxic PVC material is designed to catch spills and drips, protecting your countertops and glassware. If you're a home bartender or a professional looking for an easy-to-clean, spill-resistant mat to streamline your drink-making process and maintain a tidy workspace, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. The bar accessories are well made and durable, perfect for frequent use. The sleek design of the accessories complements any home bar setup. Includes all the essential tools for mixing cocktails like a pro. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.